how's it looking? I mean, United Way has a large number of people in Orange County, basically folks who fall through the safety net who need your help. Are there going to be more folks falling through the safety net?
Well, Rick, thanks for having us and having this discussion. So thank you. And the answer is yes, more people are going to fall through. The wonderful thing, and Lucy was just sharing some of the great things about Orange County. I think Orange County is a place that has a lot of heart and a lot of people that care. And so I know that by working together, let's say united, by working together united, that we are going to see this through. And I feel that we've seen that so far in coming together. I know one of the first calls I got was from Harold in terms of the food banks. And, you know, it's lovely to be able to support our partner nonprofits that are out in the community. But what we're seeing and hearing is that people are already teetering on the verge of homelessness and be living check to paycheck. It's very scary times right now. We're seeing increase in, say, the call volume to 211, which is the social services hotline here in Orange County. Calls, for example, about food insecurity might have been 64, like back at the beginning of the month, and on Tuesday it was 646. That's just one example, but we're seeing the same thing in terms of needs for rental assistance and all of the other things. So we're working with all the nonprofit partners to understand what they're hearing, what their needs. We want to make sure we're strategic, but we want to make sure we get help out quickly. So we're worried about the potential of homelessness. Gear Up, we're concerned about our folks, our fellow neighbors that are currently homeless and living in shelters. So there's a network through the continuum of care of providers in the county and everybody that works on that system. So we're part of that system, and so we're learning what the service providers that are running those shelters every day need to keep that population of our homeless neighbors safe, and how they help protect their workers as well. So I think all of us are like not only about who we're helping, but we want to make sure our teams are safe and healthy. So that's another concern. We have been working with the school districts to understand. We work quite closely with school districts in terms of their low-income students, and how do we help them if they don't have the technology, if they don't have the resources, and they're this close to graduating, what do we do? So we're finding what the technology needs are, how we can fill those gaps, and then again, try to understand anything else that might be occurring. So all of that being said, I think we're coming together. I know many organizations are stepping up. We have a fund, if anybody's listening, that would love to be part and help us with all those 4 things. That's at unitedwayoc.org. Come and learn more. And I can talk later about volunteering and et cetera. There's ways to get engaged and there's ways to help. And I know coming together, united, we are going to be stronger here in Orange County.